Are you trying to decide between Revolut and American Express? You're not alone. Many people wonder which one is better for their needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular financial tools. Both offer unique benefits, but they serve different purposes. Let's dive in. Revolut is a digital banking app. It allows users to hold multiple currencies, make international transfers, and spend money abroad without high fees. It's designed for travelers and those who need flexibility with their finances. On the other hand, American Express or Amex is a well-known credit card company. It offers various cards with rewards, cashback, and travel perks. Amex is popular for its customer service and exclusive benefits, especially for frequent travelers. Now, let's look at the key differences. Revolut focuses on banking services with low fees and currency exchange. American Express, however, emphasizes rewards and credit options. When it comes to features, Revolut provides budgeting tools and cryptocurrency trading. American Express offers membership rewards, travel insurance, and access to airport lounges. Both have mobile apps, but their main functions differ. In terms of pricing, Revolut usually has a free tier with optional paid plans for extra features. American Express cards often have annual fees, but they can provide valuable rewards that may offset those costs. So, who should choose what? If you travel often and want to manage multiple currencies easily, Revolut is a great choice. If you prefer earning rewards and enjoy premium services, American Express may be the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.